I am Thabo Mofokeng. My company that I run and own is Solario Technologies, which is a business consulting service focused on IT, telecoms, and business consulting services. Bottom line is every curriculum, every field, every endeavor that human beings are going to be involved in will also require additionally interface with computers. So whichever field you take, whichever avenue you take, you're going to have to relate to computers. The advice that I can give to potential students that are planning their next move is to make sure that you learn the basics of computing. What makes the IT industry different from any other industry is the fact that computers are available and are able to provide services throughout all the careers in the field. So you look at a computer as a cross-cutting, cross-functional tool that you will need for any business in the world. So understanding computers will assist one to grasp the future and also to participate in the future growth. My IT journey, it is eye-opening. It's exciting. You learn every day. Your mind is challenged literally all the time. And the fact that it's never boring environment. So every day there is something unique, something new, something that you probably haven't thought about in the past that is possible. So it does open all the possibilities to one's career as well as to any future endeavor that one takes off. What's different that iFundi offers is the fact that they have utilized technology and IT at the core of their course offerings. And it's one of the first companies that have been able to provide online training. In other words, providing a training service to multiple sites at the same time across the country and sometimes beyond the country. The ability to package a rafter of IT-related coursework for the industry, for learners, as well as to have competent IT delivery agents to deliver those courses. That's what sets iFundi apart.